In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a high-converting lead magnet page in Wix. By the end, you'll have a clean, focused page that captures emails and automatically delivers your free guide, checklist, or template. Start by opening your Wix editor. Log in, go to My Sites, and click Edit Site on the website you want to use. This takes you into the drag and drop editor where everything you need is on the left panel. Create a dedicated landing page. Click Menus and Pages. Then hit the plus to add page. Name it something clear so you can find it easily later. Design this page around one single outcome, getting visitors to opt in for your lead magnet. Keep the layout simple, with a strong hero section and minimal distractions. Add a lead capture form. Go to Add Elements, choose Contact and Forms, and insert a form that collects a first name and email. Fewer fields usually convert better, so keep it short. Make the fields required and include a brief note under the form telling people what they'll receive and that you respect their inbox. Write a strong value proposition. Your headline should clearly state the benefit, like the result they'll achieve or the problem the resource solves. Under it, add 1 to 2 short sentences reinforcing the outcome and what's inside. Keep your call to action button explicit, like get the free guide, instead of something vague. If you're brand new to Wix, you'll find the official website link at the top of the description so you can follow along and start building right away. Set up delivery for your lead magnet. After someone submits the form, choose what happens next. Either redirect to a dedicated thank you page or show a success message with an immediate download link. Make sure the download link is easy to see and works reliably. Connect email automations in your Wix dashboard. Open automations and create an email that delivers the lead magnet instantly or follows up with helpful tips. Write a clear subject line, verify the sender details, and include the same download link there so subscribers can access it later. Optimize your design and layout. Remove extra menu items and footer clutter, use strong contrast on your call to action button, and add a relevant image or mock-up of the resource. Keep plenty of white space so the form and headline stand out. Preview on mobile. Switch to mobile view and ensure text is readable, the form fits the screen, and buttons are easy to tap. Do a quick test submission on a phone. Finally, test everything and click publish. Your lead magnet page is live. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step Wix tutorials.